My name is Heidi. For those of you that are new here, I am a seller on both Poshmark and eBay. Today we are going to be doing a ThredUp mystery unboxing. I purchased one of their rescue boxes of 25 pieces of clothing in mixed sizes. I had some credits stacked up from selling some items on ThredUp. So with those credits, technically the box did not cost me anything out of pocket, but we're going to go ahead and get started on this unboxing. It's a rather large box. And when it did arrive, the bottom was kind of blown out. And some items were thrown about in the driveway. I'm not sure what happened with delivery, but I haven't looked at any of the items. I just scooped it all up, and we're going to do that now. So let's jump right in. First thing I see on top is a kind of 3/4 length sleeve top. It has ruched sides, kind of tunic length. It's the side ruching. And it is made by Johnny, made in the USA, size small. Next item looks like it's a skirt. It is by Ann Taylor. It's a pencil skirt, kind of like this green and white, kind of almost a cat eye print. And this one has a back zipper, and it is a size 2. Next up looks like another skirt. This one is by The Limited. It is an extra small tall. I do like to pick up sizes that are tall or short petites. This one is about knee length, and it has a high-low hem. Let's see if we can show you that a little bit. There you go. Lots of skirts, I guess. The next item is another skirt by The Limited in an extra small. This one is a really pretty kind of fit and flare skirt with a tropical pink print and a side zip closure. Goes down to just above the knees, I'd say. Okay, next up we have a gray hooded tank top. It has a kangaroo pocket here in the front. Kangaroo pockets are the ones that go all the way through. And a hood on the back. And it also has this cool cutout detail on the back. Kind of crisscross, if you can see that. And this one is just by Mossimo from Target. And I believe it's an extra small. Where did I see it? Got it all. What in the world? Yes, extra small. Next up, we've got a graphic t-shirt. It's just on a Next Level Apparel shirt in a size small. It's a kind of a heathered blue, and it says Mothers, Daughters, Visionaries, Queens, Strong Women. And on the back says Garage, Gym, Barbell, Club. It's a good little shirt to work out in. Wear to the gym. What is this? I am not sure the brand on this. It just has 5-48. See if I can get that to focus. I've never seen this label before, but it's kind of like a faux suede, really fun tassel mini skirt. Zips up on the back, and it's a size 2. We have another skirt. This one is also an extra small from The Limited. This one is a kind of an A-line pencil skirt in a gray kind of marled print. Is that a stain? No, there's no stain there. And it has a side zip as well, fully lined. Next up, we have a new with tags. Never heard of this brand. Susie Rose. It's a blouse. The retail was just $16. It's kind of cute though. Actually, look, it's a romper. It's not a top. So it has this really cute crocheting detail. These fun buttons. Cinches in at the side with a drawstring, or at the waist. It's got pockets on the sides, and it is a romper. Again, never heard of the brand, but size small, size 3-5, so junior sizing. We have another skirt. This one is a Talbot's Petites, size 4 petite. And it has, oh, it's a wrap skirt. So it's a regular skirt, but then this kind of wraps over in front, ties on the side. It is a kind of A-line pencil skirt and would go just to the knees or just below the knees in this fun paisley print. Okay, next up we have a button-up sweater from Appleseeds, size small. It's just a cream classic sweater with little pockets on the front. Button up. That one's cute. Next up, we have a pair of pants. These are the Signature Slimming line by Christopher Banks in a size 8. They're just a gray pant. They have a good bit of stretch to them, so definitely spandex or elastic in there. And they are a slim fit. Those are a nice career piece. If you hear any noise, crazy stuff going on in the background, my apologies. I've got 2 cats running around. Their names are Pickle and Rick. There they go, wrestling on the floor. Next we have, this looks like an older tag from Express. It's a size small. It is a little mini dress, sleeveless, and it has this fun abstract purple stripes throughout. And on the bottom there's a black color block. It's fully lined. One's pretty. Next up we have a piece from Kira, maybe? Kira, K-I-R-R-A. Size large. And this one, it's just a purple blouse on the front with this, oh, it's just on the back. I thought the whole sleeve was just cut up, kind of crochet knit on the back. Kind of looks like it may have a cropped feel to it. Next up we have just a black tank top, basic piece, size large from A New Day. You can get that at Target. Just very fine ribbed tank top. Nothing to write home on that one. What is this? I got a jacket. Hugo Biscotti collection. It's a 100% leather. Size small. It's like this cranberry red jacket. Zips up the front, the zipper works. It does have some little bit of shoulder padding action going on. It has a moto style jacket feel. Buckles on the side and the back. This is really nice. I like this. That'll be perfect for fall. There is, just put it down and saw there is a little bit of wear right there on the cuff. Can you see it? But that is to be expected on some of the pieces. These are rescue boxes, so ThredUp does say you might find some stains or maybe a missing button or a small pull, things that need a little bit of extra TLC. The next item is just nothing special. Walmart Time and True, size small. It's a pair of, they're supposed to like look like jeans, but they're not. They're just fabric, like faux jegging type material. Cute basic though to wear under some tunics in the fall in that cream color. Next up we have another jacket. Let's see what this one is. I'm not sure. I don't see a size tag on it. Oh, no need for a size tag when you see this zipper. Let's see if we can get it to focus. There you go, see the zipper? This is a Lululemon jacket. All right. Oh, and there on the hood also. This is exciting. I don't find much Lululemon here. I live just north of San Antonio in Texas, but there's lots of resellers in the area, and early bird gets the worm. This is really nice. I have no idea what the style name is, so I'll have to do some research. Have to work on finding the size tag. Sometimes they put them in the pockets, so let's look real quick. Don't see one in that pocket. Or that pocket, but again, I just looking real fast. Don't want to waste y'all's time. The drawstrings on these are pretty cool. It's kind of like, there you go. Lady doing some running, walking a dog, yoga. That's pretty cool. Happy with that one. Those two jackets will probably make the whole cost of the box back. Next piece is another skirt. This one is just a St. John's Bay in a size 12. It's a great basic black mini skirt. Zips on the side closure actually. That zipper is completely split. So that one will just get redonated. If it was a really good brand, my mother-in-law is an amazing seamstress. I would probably ask her to try to fix it. But for St. John's Bay, I will redonate it and somebody else can fix it if they're interested. Next item, it's really cute polyester blend blouse, but it's just Walmart time and true again. But it's perfect for summer, just a little popover tank. It's very, very lightweight. I would definitely wear either a cute bralette or a cami underneath. It's fun tropical print. Okay, the next item appears to be a maxi dress, maybe. Okay, Chico's, size 3. Chico's is vanity sizing. So I believe the size 3 is like a 1X. I might be wrong. Drop it in the comments below or feel free to look it up on their website. I will definitely be checking their size chart before I list it. So it's this denim maxi dress, definitely maxi length. I am 5'2", and it is on the floor. It has tab sleeves, so you can wear it tabbed up like that or unroll it for a little bit longer sleeve. Full button down front. Yeah, that'll be a good piece for fall. Yeah, that'll be a good piece for fall. You can wear it in the hall. I'm not editing that, that's fine. Bear with me, we've got a few more pieces. The next one is a sweater. It's just a Target, actually it's cardigan, open front cardigan, Target brand. A New Day, and it is an acrylic blend. It's this really pretty, get it figured out here, kind of a peachy camel color. It's really pretty. I don't know. The lights are kind of washing it out a little bit, but it's super soft. A little bit of ribbing on the cuffs. It has pockets. You can hear my dog. He's outside. He is barking. Got all of my pets making an appearance today. It's really nice. I like that. Oh, I didn't tell you the size on that, did I? I don't think so. It's a size small. Looks like we've got 3 more pieces in here. Oh my goodness, what is this? I'm filming this at like midnight. There's probably deer outside, so he's a little triggered. Roller Rabbit. I have never heard of the brand Roller Rabbit. It is a size medium. I hope that focused, but it is I would guess probably pajama pants, but you never know. You can wear them for whatever you want. But they've got pink monkeys all over. That's kind of cute. Elastic waist. Those are fun. Okay. Next we have a blouse, CDW Woman. It's a size 1X yellow sleeveless blouse. Looks like an older tag. Might be an older piece. It's just cute basic with a little bit of lace around the neckline. Probably polyester blend. Yeah, polyester spandex blend. I definitely would say that is not a 1X, maybe an extra large to a large, and it does have kind of a cropped fit. And this is the last piece in the box, and it appears to be a sweater by Michael from Michael Kors. Size medium. It's an ivory colored sweater, V-neck. And it does have this zipper detailing on both sides. The ribbed detailing at the sleeves and around the bottom hemline. And I wonder if these zippers are functional. Would you look at that? Functional side zippers. What a dream. All right. I'm going to count real quick and make sure that all 25 pieces are here. Give me just a second. Looks like all 25 pieces were there. Again, I think it was $60 or $65 for this box. If you wait and sign up for the promo codes, ThredUp sends up free shipping codes frequently on their rescue boxes. So that, you know, obviously drops the price there. But I think I can definitely double my money, maybe even triple it. So I'm satisfied with this box. I think I'll definitely be buying another box. Probably soon, maybe even as soon as I log off this video. So if you like this video, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button and give it a like. It really helps my channel out here on YouTube. Also, feel free to comment down below and let me know what your favorite piece was in this haul. Mine, I think, would be the Lululemon jacket and that cranberry wine colored leather jacket. I'm going to be looking that one up. So yeah, great box. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. I try to post a couple times a week. This past month has been just hectic, so I hadn't got a lot posted, but we're going to get back on schedule. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Hey, guys. Forgot to say, if you are new to ThredUp and you want to sign up, I will drop my link down in the description box below. You'll get a $1 amount off, and then I will also get a ThredUp shopping credit so I can make more videos like this. Bye.